What's going on, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. In this video, I am going to show you how to fill a face quickly and continuously without having to select 4 vertices or 4 edges each time. So let's get started. After starting Blender, I select all objects with the A key. Then I click on the delete button to delete all of them. Next, I click on Shift plus A, go to Mesh and click Plane. After that, I rotate the object by 90 degrees by clicking on R, then Y, then 90. Then I press S to enlarge the square as follows. Now I click on the tab to go to the edit mode. Then I click on face selection mode. After that, I click on the delete button to delete the faces. Next, I click on edge selection mode. And then I select the next 2 edges. Now I click with the right mouse button and then I click on subdivide and then I write 10 in the number of cuts. Next, I click on edge selection mode, select the next 3 edges and click F to get a face. After that, I just have to select the next edge and click F every time to create faces. As you can see, this only works if you are selecting edges and not vertices. So, without having to select 4 vertices or 4 edges each time, here is how to fill a face quickly and continuously. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know by giving it a like. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time.